Hello readers, and thank you for joining me for another spelling lesson. We are starting a brand new unit in reading this week. We are in Unit 2, Lesson 1, and our lesson this week for second grade is on contractions. Now, before we get into our spelling words, I want to make sure we know what contractions are. Contractions are a shorter way to say two words together. When the two words are put together, the first word stays the same, and certain letters are taken out of the second word. An apostrophe takes the place of the missing letters. Here's an example. Do plus not equals don't. And we put an apostrophe where the missing letter is. And of course that O in not is gone, and we put the O there. So we take two words, turn it into one word, and the letters that go away turn into an apostrophe. So if you see that an apostrophe, you know that's two words. Or it could be showing ownership. But the ones today, I think, are all going to be contractions. All right, we're going to do our same routine that we've been doing. When we spell it, we are going to say the word apostrophe. And when we circle it, we're just going to circle that apostrophe because I want you to get in the habit of finding it, seeing it, and writing it when you write the words. All right, let's get started. Our first word is Yule. Say Yule. Map the sounds. Y, oo, ul, Yule. Spell it. Y, O, U, apostrophe, L, L. Yule. Write it. Y, O, U, apostrophe, L, L. Of course, whoops, I got ahead of myself. And then we're going to circle the pattern. And that's just a little apostrophe. All right? Our next one is he's. Say he's. He's means you'll, by the way, meant you will. He's means he is. Map the sounds. E, z. He's. That S makes a z sound. Spell it. H, E, apostrophe, S. He's. Write it. H, E, apostrophe, S. And then circle that apostrophe. Make sure you get it there. He's writing his words. The next word is wasn't. This means was not. Say wasn't. Map the sounds. W, z, n, t. Wasn't. Spell it. W, A, S, apostrophe, N, T. Wasn't. Write it. W, A, S, N, apostrophe, T. And of course the T apostrophe goes where the missing O is. Circle it. Wasn't that easy? Our next word is don't for do not. Say don't. Map the sounds. D, O, n, t. Don't. Spell it. D, O, N, apostrophe, T. Don't. Write it. D, O, N, apostrophe, where the missing O is, T. Circle the apostrophe. Don't forget to circle it. Our next word is we're. Say we're for we are. We're. Map the sounds. W, E, We're. Spell it. W, E, apostrophe, R, E. We're. Write it. W, E, apostrophe, R, E. That goes where that missing A is. We're writing our words. Circle the pattern, the apostrophe. Next is the word I'll for I will. Say I'll. Map the sounds. I'll. Spell it. I apostrophe L L. And that apostrophe takes the place for a W and a I this time. Write it. I apostrophe L L. I'll learn my words this week. Circle the pattern. Next, we have the word isn't for is not. Say isn't. Map the sounds. Is, n, t, isn't. Spell it. I, S, N, apostrophe, T, isn't. Write it. I, S, N, apostrophe, T. Isn't this going quickly? Hopefully so. Circle the apostrophe. Our next word is she's for she is. Say she's. Map the sounds. Sh, ease, she's. Spell it. S, H, E, apostrophe, S, she's. Write it. S, H, E, apostrophe, S. She's writing her words. Thank you. Circle the apostrophe. The next word is what for what's for what is. Say what's. Map the sounds. W, t, s. What's. The A makes a schwa sound. Spell it. W, H, A, T, apostrophe, S. What's. Write it. W, H, A, T, S. Apostrophe. What's. What's the next book you're going to read? Circle the pattern. Next word is your for you are. Say your. Map the sounds. Y, you, your. Spell it. Y, O, U, R, apostrophe, E. Actually, I put that apostrophe in the wrong spot. Let me fix that so I don't mess anybody up. I apologize. There, all fixed. Let's spell it again correctly. Y, O, U, apostrophe, R, E. Your. Write it. Y, O, U, apostrophe, R, E. You're getting better all the time. Circle that apostrophe. And our last two words are our high frequency words. These words won't have our pattern of the week, but we're still going to practice them anyway. The first word is different. Say different. Map the sounds. D, I, F, I, N, T. Different. It's a big word. Spell it. D, I, F, F, E, R, E, N, T. Different. Write it. D, I, F, F, E, R, E, N, T. And our last word, another biggie, is between. Say between. Map the sounds. B, E, T, W, E, N. Between. Spell it. B, E, T, W, E, E, N. Between. And write it. B, E, T, W-E-E-N. Between. Guys, you did great. That's our last word of the day. You're getting better all the time, and it's wonderful to see. Until next time, happy reading.